Can you tell the difference between a 10 and a 14 karat based on what I'm showing you here? Can you tell a difference?
The only thing that stays consistent is the grind. Keep on grinding.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Very happy to be here. Today, I want to give you guys an update on my Miami Cuban link from Jaxxon Jewelry, Inc. So you guys might remember a few months back, I put out a video talking to you about my new purchase from Jaxxon Jewelry, Inc. Now, I'm here to give you guys an update on it. And that's because many people will ask me in the comments, how's it doing? That's a good question because you never know. Depending on who you buy from, where you're buying, that jewelry might fail you. Your box lock might end up breaking. You might have a link that cracks. Who knows what can happen? I'm here to tell you guys that after these months of owning this bracelet, this 7-inch, 10-carat Miami Cuban link from Jaxxon Jewelry, Inc., my man David over there, I have had no issues. Not only have I had no issues, but their craftsmanship surpasses my expectations. I wear this thing all the time. I train in this. So I'm bodybuilding, I'm doing my cardio. I am traveling with this, doing construction work with this, showering in this, going in the pool in this. I am doing every single thing that I do while I'm wearing this. I've only taken this off for this video. Now, you guys might be aware that I'm over in Mexico, and the water in Mexico is very hard. So I have not washed this for this video. It actually looks, in my opinion, genuinely beautiful, despite the fact that it is very dirty. You may or may not be able to notice some hard water stains on certain parts of the chain. You probably can't even notice. But my point in showing you this is that this thing is covered in hard water stains. It's covered in dirt, grease, body oil and all that stuff. I haven't washed this. It is gorgeous. I am beating this thing up on purpose. I am looking at the scratches that this thing might get, which I don't even know if it has any deep scratches anyway, maybe some slight surface ones, maybe none at all, to be honest with you. But I'm looking at any scratch or wear and tear on this as something beautiful because this is something that does not leave my wrist. And so it's growing with me as I grow, as I live my life. Now, this is 7 inches, 10 karat gold. There's been zero discoloration. And look at the shine, and it's not even clean. It's not clean by any means, and that shine is just gorgeous. This is a 7-inch, 6mm Miami Cuban link bracelet. Now, the next thing I want to talk about is the color, because a lot of people will say, I don't want to buy 10 karat because I'm afraid of the color difference between the 10 karat and some 14 carats. Let me go ahead and show you this here. You guys tell me, can you tell the difference between a 10 and a 14 karat based on what I'm showing you here? Can you tell a difference? I'm going to go out on a limb and say that the 14 karat chains that I have here are actually lighter in color than this 10 karat from Jaxxon Jewelry, Inc. The reason why I'm going to go out on a limb and say that is because in person, and so hopefully the camera's capturing it, in person, the Miami Cuban link from Jaxxon Jewelry, Inc. actually has more of a gold hue than the 14 karat chains here that I've gotten from Jacoje in the past. At the very least, you must say that they look the same. There's no way that it looks inferior as far as color. It is the same, if not more gold. And the reason why I do believe that it has more of a deep, dark golden hue is because of the polish. This is more of a mirror polish, where this is not as much of a mirror polish. But it doesn't matter whether it's on camera or in person, guys. You really can't tell a difference. And if you can tell a difference, honestly, the 10 karat Miami is looking more of a deep gold tone. The next thing I want to talk about is investment. Many people will say, oh, you shouldn't buy 10 karat gold because it's not a good investment. I'm here to say, in my personal opinion, guys, because it's just my opinion, that jewelry itself is not an investment. You can always sell your jewelry. You can always melt your jewelry down. You can always trade your jewelry in, but your jewelry is never going to necessarily make you money. When you buy jewelry, you're buying it at a premium. So when you buy from Jacoje, when you buy from Daniel Jewelry Inc., when you buy from, it doesn't matter who you're buying from. It doesn't matter, Zales, it doesn't matter. They need to make money in order to stay in operation. So they're going to create your piece, and then they're going to charge you for the piece, and they need to make money on that sale. That's what business is. So they're going to make a certain fraction of money off that. What you're paying extra is a premium, especially when it's coming from a great company like Daniel Jewelry Inc. You're going to be paying the premium that they charge you. That's the cost of you having their product. That's the cost of their business. And so because you're paying a premium on any jewelry you buy in the world, you're actually spending more than what the item itself is worth. So when you buy a piece of jewelry, you're not actually buying something that's going to increase substantially in value. You're buying more of a hedge, a place that you can keep your money. So for example, if down the road you want to sell this, sure, you might be able to break even on it, hopefully, or something along those lines. But at the end of the day, between inflation, the fact that you're spending more money on that item anyway, due to the upcharge of the item, and due to the fact that once you own this, it's not going to actually create wealth from this. It's just going to simply hold its wealth. That's why I would not call it an investment. I would call it more of a hedge. Just like if you go to sell this 14 karat gold chain, you're going to get a certain amount of money for it. You're going to get a certain amount of money based on what that chain is worth intrinsically to the future owner, or based on the scrap value of that gold. The same goes for the 10 karat. The 10 karat that you can't even tell looks different, that I can't even tell looks different, you're going to be doing the same thing. So many people will say, oh, 10 karat's not a good investment because you're going to get less money when you sell it. Well, you're going to get the same amount as you would if you sold the 14 karat. It's just changing based on the purity of the gold or the item itself. So that's my opinion. So to finish this update, I want to tell you that this thing has been tougher than nails. I've abused this thing. It's gotten caught on screws and nails, and like my arms hanging on the screw. It's been hit by walls and tools, and when I'm training, it's like getting beat up. Guys, this has been a great, beautiful item, strong. And if I even just washed this or took a polishing cloth to it, man, would it blow you guys out of the water. And that says a lot, considering I think it's already very, very beautiful in just the way it looks now. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Let me know what your experience is. Have you ever purchased from David over at Daniel Jewelry in the past? And if so, what was your experience like? I'd love to know. And I can tell you that I look forward very much to purchasing from David again in the future, because quality, and not only are you getting quality, you're getting to support a trustworthy, beautiful business, family-run business. And that's something that I'm very happy to do. So thank you, David from Daniel Jewelry Inc. Thank you all for watching, and I look forward to talking to you guys soon.